For this chocolate ice cream, I'm starting with 1 cup of cold 100% coconut water, 3 small frozen bananas. Now these have been broken into 1-inch pieces and have been frozen for at least 24 hours. Cold pressed flaxseed oil. You don't need to use this if you don't want to. It just makes it a little bit creamier. Add some healthy omega-3 fats. Cinnamon, just a few dashes. This adds a little bit of complexity and sweetness. Some salt. Now this does bring out, for some reason, seems to bring out the sweetness. I'm just gonna add a few sprinkles. And I always have my smoothies before I work out, so I do need the salt. 1 tablespoon of cold coffee. 1 packed tablespoon of cocoa powder. Pack it in, level it. The chocolate flavor. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I found that the liquid vanilla instead of the powder brings out more vanilla flavor into my drink. And make sure to use the one that is alcohol free, otherwise it's going to taste like alcohol. And that's it. So let's go ahead and blend that up. All right, so now I'm just going to take a spoon. Just make sure there's no chunks. Good. See how nice and smooth this is. Smooth and creamy. Look at that. So this is more like a soft serve ice cream. So this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to add a topping that you may be like, what? So this is, I'm keeping this low fat, high in omega-3s. So for my topping, I like a little crunch from ground coffee. I kind of like a lot. And what I usually do is I just add some more as I am eating it. So here's a close-up. All right, it's good for the test. It's surprisingly sweet when there's no sugar in it. So one of the tricks is to make sure that your bananas are very frozen and very ripe. This is so good. It's not too cold. I kind of like how it's a little bit melted. And the crunch, it's just a subtle, very subtle crunch from the ground coffee. I'll put the recipe and the description below. Let me know if you have any questions.